Alright, me and Lily are going to the basketball court. Because that's me and my baby thing to do. And then, this is our last day. It smells funny in here. Alright. We're here at the rec center. Shoot a little basketball around. Do some Steph Curry things. Later on, we're planning to go to the gym, Thorpe downtown. Probably check out the jail museum, the historic one, and walk around the town and maybe go to Bunk Chunk Lake after, and then get prepared to leave tomorrow. Brick.
I told you, the first 15. Oh, man.
Oh, boo.
I told you. I'm so proud. I told you.
Alright, let's go.
Can we shoot football?
No, we come play one.
How many drinks you gonna take? You're wasting your energy.
beat it with my crop, so. What the? Come on, go. Again. Do something again. Right straight to it. We have so many swishes, we broke one of the pieces to change. And here's that little piece.
Watch your head.
Oh, you made that?
Yeah.
Alright. That's the end of our basketball session. Until next year. Time to go to Jim Thorpe. And then we're going to Dollar General, but I'm not going to record in there. But goodbye, Court. We'll see you probably next year. Yeah. Maybe next year. Maybe probably go to Arrowhead Lake again. Or here again. Yeah. Bye. Alright. Grab everything. Yeah. Alright, we're at the spillway.
Gatorade.
Yeah, I whooped her. Three games in a row. But
Today was not my day.
No.
Yesterday.
Today we're at the spillway.
Yesterday, Peloy, free now with having a
And today we're gonna go to fish for some sunfish or whatever we can get.
Once you're dead, I saw the.
Right here. It tells the size. I think this one, I think we could just grab it. We don't have to.
Yeah. I tell you.
We could just bring this.
Huh? Go get the net.
Alright, we're at the spillway. Jensen, he could play with the dirt, I don't care. Jensen, it was over there, baby. They got sand right there.
Come on.
This is what we like to do, is fishing. We're at the spillway. We're at the community lake.
Oh no, we have toy.
Lily, get his toy.
Beautiful.
My dad was the first one. Oh, nope, Symbol got his first one. I thought my dad was the first one, but apparently he wasn't. Symbol got one. What do you got? Smallmouth bath? Oh, Daddy got a perch, sunfish. Oh, Sabrina, they took your bait. My sister is
That's a snake.
a snake. Where?
It was in the rock right there.
Where?
It was in the rock. Isn't it poisonous?
I think so.
Yeah. Oh my God. Right there.
Look.
Oh my God.
I'm about to
I was trying to wash my hand and it jumped out.
That's scary.
And that's poisonous
I'm not
too.
going in there.
That's poisonous too.
What?
Gone.
Why?
Can you help me make it longer?
Whoop. My dad got another fish. Yeah, keep going, Daddy, keep going. Oh, maybe not. So far, Simbok and my dad. No? Maybe not. Yeah, to keep on reeling it in. And see. And then you just gotta cast it again. Keep on going, Daddy. Nope, it's gone. Oh, honey, he took his worm. He took his worm. There was a copperhead snake in here, and that was the scariest thing. My sister, like I said, she's out. I think she's going to the lake. She wanted to come and fish because that's like her favorite thing to do. But Josh wanted to go to the lake.
Because I feel it, because it keep on pulling, keep on pulling. I with hot. Yeah. That is, because your dad got a bobber on, it didn't go all the way down.
No, it took my bait again.
Mommy, somebody got bit. Oh, that's Sabrina.
Oh, Sabrina got it again. Look, Sabrina's going. Sabrina got it. That's bad.
I need a Tom. Ooh!
Oh, she got a big one. Honey, you didn't record your daughter?
I'm recording your dad because that one's bigger.
Get it out, Aiden. I don't know. Here, Aiden. Hold on. And it took my bait again.
So the one that we thought it was a big fish, I guess the fish went under the rock and then it got snagged. It took the bobber underneath, but then it got snagged. Gonna be here for a little bit more and then we're gonna head to downtown. So far, so good. We're having fun. And then those two trespassers over there. Look at those two trespassers. Over there, two trespassers. Oh, three trespassers. All right. We're gonna head out soon. It's been fun. It's our last day. Tomorrow we go home.
Why are you wasting Daddy's camera?
It's the baby. It's the baby. Wow. Say hi, little baby. Yeah. We're eating Chinese food for our last night.
Oh, so she tried to make that go all the way down here. Yeah, smart.
We had spaghetti earlier. Now we're having some Chinese food. Take some Tylenol and ibuprofen together. Oh, mee fun. I order you mee fun. I know that's your favorite. How special mee fun? Justin, I thought you was eating your French fry. You wanted French fries. What happened? This kid was rock. We went to the museum and he was not having it today. And now he's rock. I was able to go to my Harry Potter mug, I think it's called Muglet's Mug Coffee Shop. Coffee was good. And we got some cupcakes.
Jamie,
We're gonna share.
you seen that movie Paid in Full? He was like, remember he was talking about the soy sauce. He said, oh, put the soy sauce in the bag and he started.
This looks like the building where they jumped out the window. Remember?
Bell has just rung. It is now 2 o'clock.
What are the possibilities?
What?
Watch out for Dookie.
Don't fall now.
Watch out. It's your right leg.
Come on. What time is it? Alright, let's go to the church. We'll go home then. What? That's up. Welcome back to the channel. Stop.
I know that house is haunted.
4 Asian people investigate this haunted house in Jim Thorpe, known as Little Sweden. Okay. As they walk into this house, they encounter a creepy presence. Someone could watch this at home instead of watching Slap Hand.
It just looks cool, like. It just looks fancy. Yeah, I know, like, if y'all go in there, I bet you be hearing noises.
For my memory.
Not for anything. Imagine the shingle thing shake. Cause I know there's nobody in there. If that white thing up there, that window start moving.
Someone's trying to record it long.
Look at the view though. Like, damn, that shit like awesome.
Why is it kind of foggy?
Alright, let's go. Give me your hand.
We're gonna go back.
want water?
What brain is it?
It is. Yes, it is.
Ooh.
But look at the tree, Mom.
Is another house up there?
Look like a painting.
Look right there.
That's a roof deck. That's like the you go up there and hang out. That old school roof deck, right? But an old school roof deck is like it's home.
What brain is it?
It is. Yes, it is.
Ooh.
But look at the tree, Mom.
Is another house up there?
Look like a painting.
Look right there.
That's a roof deck. That's like the you go up there and hang out. That old school roof deck, right? But an old school roof deck is like